Ever wondered what inspired Charles Darwin's theory of evolution? The answer lies in the picturesque Galápagos Islands, a treasure trove of unique biodiversity, nestled in the Pacific. These islands are not just an archipelago, they are a living museum, a showcase of evolution in action. From the endemic marine species, which make up 20% of life in the surrounding waters, to the vibrant terrestrial life, the Galápagos Islands are a testament to the wonders of the natural world. A national park and biosphere reserve, these islands are a sanctuary for the extraordinary. Welcome, as we embark on a journey to the remarkable Galápagos Islands. The Galápagos Islands, a wonder of the natural world, born out of the fires of the earth. These islands are a testament to the power and beauty of nature, having been formed through intense volcanic activity on the Nazca Plate. This process, while violent and chaotic, has given birth to a land of unparalleled diversity and beauty. Let's take a journey back in time, to when the Earth was still young and the forces of nature were at work. Deep under the ocean, the Nazca Plate was moving, its tectonic shifts causing volcanic eruptions that spewed magma into the sea. As this magma cooled and solidified, it began to form land, rising above the surface of the ocean. This is how the Galápagos Islands were born, a fiery testament to the power of nature. The archipelago consists of a grand total of 127 islands, each unique in its own way. But among them all, one stands out for its sheer size: Isabella. The largest of all the islands, Isabella is a marvel in its own right, its landmass formed by the merging of 6 volcanoes. But the story of the Galápagos Islands is not one of tranquility. The islands are home to 13 active volcanoes, their fiery hearts a reminder of the forces that shaped this land. Even today, these volcanoes continue to erupt, with the most recent eruptions occurring just 2 years ago. Each eruption, while destructive, is also a process of creation, adding new layers to the islands and shaping their landscapes. This constant change, driven by the island's geological youth and ongoing volcanic activity, is what makes the Galápagos so unique. The islands are a living, breathing testament to the power of nature, their landscapes ever-changing, their ecosystems evolving. The Galápagos Islands are not just a group of islands, they are a living laboratory of evolution. As the islands evolved, so did life, in ways found nowhere else on Earth. The Galápagos Islands are like a grand theater, where the drama of evolution unfolds in the most extraordinary ways. Every nook and cranny of these islands is a testament to the power of natural selection and adaptation. The unique biodiversity that thrives here, with 20% of marine species being endemic, is awe-inspiring. The life on these islands has been shaped by isolation, volcanic activity, and the relentless forces of nature. Over millions of years, species have migrated here, survived, adapted, and evolved into new forms. This rich tapestry of life, painted with the brushstrokes of evolution, is what inspired the revolutionary theories of Charles Darwin. Take, for example, the iconic Galápagos giant tortoise. These gentle giants are the longest living vertebrates on Earth, with some individuals reaching an age of over 100 years. Their impressive size and longevity are the result of adapting to an environment with abundant food and no natural predators. Then there's the Galápagos finch, a group of about 15 species that are famous for their remarkable beak diversity. Each species has a beak shape and size that is perfectly suited to its diet and lifestyle, whether it's cracking seeds, probing for insects, or sipping nectar. It was these finches, among other species, that sparked Darwin's insights into the workings of evolution. In the rich volcanic soil of the Galápagos, even plants have evolved in fascinating ways. The Scalesia trees, close relatives of common daisies, have grown to the size of substantial trees to compete for sunlight in the highlands. The marine life of Galápagos is just as extraordinary. The marine iguana, the only seagoing lizard in the world, has evolved to graze on underwater algae, diving to depths of up to 30 feet. Each of these species tells a tale of survival, adaptation, and evolution. They are living proof of how life can adapt and thrive in the most challenging conditions. The Galápagos Islands are more than just a collection of exotic species and breathtaking landscapes. They are a living laboratory of evolution, a place where we can witness the incredible creativity of nature. It's no wonder that these islands sparked Darwin's imagination and continue to inspire scientists and nature lovers today. The Galápagos Islands, a testament to the power of nature's creativity. Today, the Galápagos Islands continue to surprise and inspire us, A hotspot for both tourists and scientists, this archipelago never ceases to amaze with its unique biodiversity and breathtaking landscapes. The islands, home to a fascinating variety of species, 20% of which are found nowhere else on Earth, are a living testament to the power of evolution. For those who venture here, the islands offer a chance to step into a world that remains largely untouched by human hands. Scientists flock here to study its unique ecosystems, while tourists are drawn to the pristine beaches, the crystal-clear waters, and of course, the enchanting wildlife. From the playful sea lions to the majestic giant tortoises, there's a sense of wonder that awaits at every turn. But this natural wonderland isn't just a tourist destination. It's a beacon of conservation efforts, a living laboratory where the balance of nature is diligently maintained. The Galápagos Islands are a national park and a biosphere reserve, protected areas where the focus is on preserving the unique biodiversity that calls these islands home. One of the most significant conservation efforts here is the Galápagos Marine Reserve. Covering an area of 198,000 square kilometers, it's one of the largest marine reserves in the world. This reserve is a safe haven for countless marine species, some of which are endemic to the Galápagos. It's a testament to the commitment to preserve this unique corner of the world. And it's not just about the wildlife. The island's geological youth and ongoing volcanic activity make them a fascinating study in Earth science. With 13 active volcanoes and a landscape shaped by the relentless forces of nature, the Galápagos offers a unique window into the Earth's past, present, and future. In the Galápagos, every day is a new discovery. It's a place where the wonders of nature are on full display, where every creature, every rock, every wave tells a story of evolution, survival, and the extraordinary power of nature. This is the magic of the Galápagos, a place that continues to surprise, inspire, and captivate us all. So what makes the Galápagos Islands so irresistible? The allure of the Galápagos Islands lies in their remarkable biodiversity. They are a living museum, a showcase of evolution in action. The islands are home to a staggering array of unique species, 20% of which can be found nowhere else on the planet. From the iconic blue-footed booby to the giant tortoise, the Galápagos teems with wildlife that has adapted and evolved in ways that continue to astound scientists and visitors alike. But the islands are not just a haven for nature lovers. They are also a beacon for the scientifically curious. This is where Charles Darwin's observations of the island species led to his groundbreaking theory of evolution by natural selection. A visit to the Galápagos is like stepping into a living science textbook, providing a deeper understanding of our planet's history and the intricate web of life that populates it. The Galápagos Islands are also a testament to the importance of conservation. Recognized as a national park and a biosphere reserve, the islands are a shining example of how we can protect and preserve our natural world. The Galápagos Marine Reserve, covering a vast 198,000 square kilometers, is a sanctuary for marine life, offering an unparalleled opportunity for underwater exploration and discovery. What makes the Galápagos truly irresistible, however, is the sense of adventure they inspire. Whether you're hiking up the slope of an active volcano, snorkeling amongst a kaleidoscope of tropical fish, or observing the unique behaviors of the island's wildlife, every moment in the Galápagos is an invitation to discovery. The islands offer a chance to connect with nature in a way that few places on Earth can match. The Galápagos Islands aren't just a destination, they're a journey into the heart of our natural world. A visit here is more than just a holiday. It's an opportunity to witness the remarkable diversity of life, the incredible processes of evolution, and the vital importance of conservation. The Galápagos Islands, a place where nature and history come together to create a truly unforgettable experience.